We'll guide you through how to use Claude Marketing effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Claude Marketing website. Once you're there, log in with your credentials. On the dashboard, you'll see a section labeled Campaigns. Click on it to view all your current marketing campaigns. To create a new campaign, look for the New Campaign button, usually located at the top right of the screen, and click on it. You'll be prompted to input details about your campaign, such as the name, target audience, and budget. Enter this information carefully to ensure your campaign is set up correctly. After filling out the basic information, you'll need to design your campaign. Claude Marketing offers various templates and tools to help you create engaging content. Select a template that suits your brand, then customize it with your images, text, and branding elements. Once you're satisfied with your design, proceed to the scheduling section. Here, you can choose the start and end dates for your campaign, ensuring that it runs during your target audience's peak activity times. Next, you need to set your campaign's budget. Allocate your budget wisely, based on the platforms you'll be using and your desired reach. After setting everything up, review your campaign to make sure all details are correct. If everything looks good, go ahead and click the Launch Campaign button. Claude Marketing will then take care of distributing your campaign across the selected channels. You can monitor your campaign's performance through the Analytics dashboard, which provides real-time data on how your campaign is doing. This allows you to make any necessary adjustments to optimize your results. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.